You hear that? It's raining. It's been raining for a week now, 3 days, 4 days. Yep, and it's gonna rain until probably Saturday. So we haven't really gone out and done anything. So I think today what we're gonna do is
the Heritage Museum?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the Heritage Museum up in Astoria. It's just the heritage of this area. So that'll be fun. My name is Michael.
I'm Dione.
And welcome to Misfits Adventures. We're gonna take off here and we're gonna drive up to Astoria. Meet you up there. Okay. So we made it here in Astoria. We're parked right across the street. I guess this is an abandoned building or they're using it for storage or something, but there's nobody here, so I guess we can park over here. And right across the street is the Heritage Museum over there. Still sprinkling, so we're gonna walk over there. We already have tickets, and yeah, do we have tickets? We have 2? Cool, so we got our tickets. Very good. What's the weather look like?
We're here today?
Yeah. Check out the weather. Hold it back so I can see. You want to see what the weather's going to be like right now? This is the weather right now. And that blue dot is where we're at in Astoria. So yeah, it is gonna rain for the next couple days probably anyways. So yeah, shows it just keeps on coming in. Oh, might be, oh, nope, yep, nope. Okay, look, there's a place right there where it's not gonna rain. And that's, that was 2 p.m. or 12 p.m. Yeah, so it's gonna rain for probably a day or so, maybe 2 days. Yep, but this is what you expect in the Pacific Northwest, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's go inside to the museum and check that out. Okay,
all right.
Got your tickets?
Got my tickets.
All right, guys, here we go.
Check out the Cedar People.
Cedar People. So Warrington is up there. That's where we are. Astoria right now is where we're at now, but Warrington is pretty much where we live, on that little peninsula that goes up. This is the Columbia River. This is the Pacific Ocean. So we're way up here. Where it says Chinook, that is actually Washington State. Talks about their language. His name is Charles. Oh, that's pretty. You know, the clothing that they wore, the fur trade. Definitely need fur up here in the winter time. Keeps you dry and keeps you warm.
Because my fur is so warm and cozy. If they catch me, they use my fur to make hats, coats, or even gloves. Like my uncle over there. He's a hat now. Anyway, thanks for coming today, learning all about me in Astoria. And have a beautiful day.
So this is one of the beaver hats that they, Mr. Beaver's was made out of. Or the hat was made out of Mr. Beaver. These are all the different furs. So let's see, we got to guess and see which one's which. All right, that looks like
Mink,
bear.
otter,
This is bear.
beaver.
No, that's beaver. That's
I think this is gonna be the bear. No,
otter.
otter.
What's this one? This one's soft. Mink. Okay, so we're really bad trappers. This is raccoon. No, it's red fox. Hey, you know who Red Fox is, right? He doesn't look like Red Fox.
That one's gonna be the emerald.
A Jimmerine? Yep, that's what that is.
And the last one's gonna be the bear.
That one's really super soft too. Doesn't have much fur, a little short hair. And this one's gonna be the bear?
Yep.
Yeah, it's matted. Black bear. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little trip we made today. It was kind of interesting to see all the different things, that they do and they've done here in Astoria, and how this place has grown into what it is now, which is a beautiful, beautiful place. So thanks guys very much. We're going to go home, and it's raining out, so we're just going to get all cuddly and
Snuggly
watch a movie. Guys, come back and see us. Thank you for watching today. My name is Michael.
I'm Dione.
And this was Miss Fitz Adventures. You can write us always at msfitzs adventures@gmail.com, or you can see us on Facebook, or you can see us on Instagram. So check us out, and we'll see you another week or so, okay? Have a good one, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Take care of yourselves.